Imagine archaeologists digging in Egypt and suddenly pulling out 16 served right hands from the ground. No bodies, just hands. All right hands, perfectly preserved. What dark ritual or brutal war practice does this hide? Today, we uncover one of the strangest archaeological discoveries in recent times. In 2012, Polish archaeological team was excavating near an ancient palace in Egypt. While clearing soil, they found two large pits filled with 16 served right hands. All hands belong to adult males. Lab tests confirm they are approximately 3600 years old from Hyksos period. The hands were buried, fingers pointing towards in a very deliberate manner, no left hands. Only right hands. Scientists were shocked because no other body parts were found nearby. Then the question rises, who were the Hyksos? They were a Semitic people that lived from the Levant, modern Syria and Lebanon area, invaded and ruled parts of Egypt around from 1650 to 1550 BCE. Egyptian calls them foreign rulers. They brought new weapons and horses but were eventually defeated. Ancient Egyptian records show a brutal tradition. Soldiers were cut off their right hand of defeated enemies as proof of kill. These hands were presented to the pharaoh, who rewarded soldier with the gold of valor. The way the 16 hands were buried is mysterious. They were placed in pits inside near a palace or temple complex. Some researchers believe that this was part of a victory ritual after a major battle against Hyksos. Later ground-penetrating radar revealed an underground lava tube-like tunnel which was 10 meters long and 15 meters wide, filled with sand and rubble, leading deeper underground, possibly to hidden chambers or tombs. What was even more shocking was in the same area, researchers found the skeleton of a child buried in the same strange position. The feet were locked with a padlock-like stone. This immediately reminded people of a famous vampire child burial discovered in 2012 in Poland. In that Polish case, a child suspected of being a vampire had a padlock on the foot to stop it from rising. But science later revealed it was likely a child suffering from tuberculosis, which caused severe deformity and yellowish skin, leading villagers to think that it was demonic. Similar superstitions, burial practices existed in ancient times to prevent the dead from returning. This discovery site is strategically located near the Giza Plateau. Researchers believe that this area was used during pyramid construction. The underground tunnel system might have been a part of a secret worker passage or storage. Ancient engineers used lava tubes and natural caves, filled them strategically with sand and rubble to hide entrances and to protect tombs from robbers. This shows incredible ancient engineering knowledge. Then DNA lab tests confirmed the hands belonged to different adult males who died around the same time. The bone shows a sign of violent amputation. No weapons or tools were found with them. Carbon dating puts some bones as old as 7,000 years, suggesting the area was used for burials and ritual across many centuries. Some people also claim this proves ancient black magic, human sacrifice, or even alien involvement. But mainstream archaeology says it's clear evidence of war trophies. But after decisive Egyptian victory over the Hyksos invaders, and then the child skeleton also adds an horror element to it. People started calling it a vampire child of Egypt. This discovery tells about the brutality of ancient warfare, the power of rituals, and how society used to fear and superstition to control people. It also shows how advanced an ancient Egyptian and Hyksos engineering was. Many questions still remains that why only right hands? Why buried in that exact formation? What lies deeper in the unexplored tunnels? History is full of dark mysterious, from served hands to vampire burials. The past still surprises us. What do you think really happened? Comment below, like, share, and subscribe for more ancient stories.